You got it?
Okay, we're rolling. I've got to impress. Am I like, hello, welcome? No, I'm not doing that, right?
Katie's Cool Kitchen.
So this is the Margherita Pizza. And in true Italian fashion, we keep it simple with the best ingredients. And I'm gonna show how you can do like a really special, easy meal with a frozen pizza. So you're gonna open it up, pretend you have a wood-fired oven. Get it as hot as you can. So I'm at 500. The pizza's great on its own, but we wanna create a meal. So what I'm gonna do today is a citrus salad because it's winter right now. And I'm going to assemble this here. You want everything to look like it fell from the sky. We're just gonna squeeze a little lemon on top. Okay, let's actually look at it. Super fast. In Italy, a margherita pizza, it is the pizza. That's the only pizza you should ever order anywhere to figure out what's going on with the restaurant. We just made our restaurant pizza, sealed it, froze it. Here you are. The ingredients for us, you're not gonna go to any other like large-scale manufacturing place and see ingredients like you see at ours. Chris Bianco is so serious about his ingredients that he started growing his own tomatoes and canning them with Italian tradition in a beautiful climate. And so these are the best. Instead of a regular traditional fresh mozzarella, I'm going for a burrata, because the burrata, it's luxurious, it's creamy, it's got this curd inside that you can see. So it's like a Ferrari version of a margherita. Take a little arugula, you can do a little prosciutto, drizzle it with a little olive oil. That took 5 minutes. What's left to do is to eat. That's it. Johnny Lee, come on over.
Cheers.
Cheers. And then you do this.
Now from the salad.
The pizza's the base. The pizza's great on its own, but I love a salad and a pizza. It just brightens up. A very comforting food.
That crust every time.
I eat all my crust. Eat all your crust. Trust me. We're the only people hand stretching and wood firing at this scale. They don't all look the same. They're like a snowflake or a fingerprint. It's an expression of us. Very proud of it.